Our next slide is pollination by birds. So pollination by birds is called as ornithophy. When pollination takes place through the birds, then it is called as ornithophy, and such bird pollinated plants are called as ornithophilous plants. Only few types of birds are specialized for pollination. Okay, so not all birds carried out pollination. Only few types of bird they are specialized for pollination, and they usually have small size and long beaks according to that particular flower. Examples are sunbirds and hummingbirds. These are the example of these birds which are carried out this pollination. Okay, so hummingbirds and sunbirds are the example of pollination by birds. Ornithophilous plants means the plants which carried out this pollination, means pollination which is carried out with the help of birds. The plant carried out this type of pollinations are bombax and butia. Okay. Now adaptations of these flowers are, first of all, flowers are usually bright color. Because of bright color, they attract that birds, particular birds for pollination. So these flowers are usually bright color, large and showy. Second, they secrete large amount of sugar or nectar. Next, pollen grains are sticky and spiny, and the last one, flowers are generally without fragrance because birds have poor sense of smell. Okay, and these examples are, already you have learned that bombax and butia. These are the examples along with bignonia species and callistemon, means bottle brush. Okay, these are common examples of ornithophilous plants. These common pollinating birds are sunbirds, hummingbirds, crow, bulbul, etc. Okay, so once again, ornithophilous plants shows large flowers with thick and fleshy floral parts. Corolla is tubular and funnel shape, and it provides large amount of sugary nectar. Okay. So once again, pollination by birds is called as ornithophy, and these plants are called as ornithophilous plants. Example of birds are sunbirds, hummingbirds, crow, bulbul, etc. And example of ornithophilous plants are bombax, butia, callistemon means bottle brush, begonia, etc. Okay. So this some of these examples we will see in a next slide. So these are the example of ornithophilous flowers, okay, or ornithophilous plants. So the first image you can see here is a bombax, and the second one is a butia. Okay, so ornithophilous flowers means, or ornithophilous plants means the pollination which is carried out by birds. And the last point of pollination by biotic agents is chiropterophily. So what is chiropterophily? It is the pollination by bats. It's called as chiropterophily, means pollination which is carried out with the help of biotic agency, that is bat. Such plants are called as chiropterophilous plants, and flowers are called as chiropterophilous flowers. Bat can transport these pollen grains over a long distance and sometimes several kilometers. So different adaptations are carried out by these plants or these flowers, and these adaptations are, the first one, flowers are dull colored with strong fragrance. Okay, the color of flowers are dull. Okay, they are not attractive, or it's not attractive. Why? Because the bats are nocturnal one. They are nocturnal means they are active during night time, and bats are not blind actually, but they have advanced ears that give them a form of vision in the dark and known as echolocation. So bats use their good hearing to find food during night time, and good eyes to find their food during daytime. Okay, so flowers are dull colored with strong fragrance, large stout flowers, so that bat can hold on this flower. Third, flowers are nocturnal. Nocturnal means they open during night time, or the flower buds open during night time. Flowers emit fermenting fruity odor. And the last one, large number of stamens to produce large quantity of pollen grains. These are the adaptations of Chiropterophilus flowers. So once again, flowers are dull colored with a strong fragrance, large stout flowers so that bat can hold on to the flower. Flowers are nocturnal one, means they open during night time, and bats are also nocturnal in nature, means they are active during night time. Flowers emit fermenting fruity odor and last large number of stamens to produce large quantity of pollen grain. So bats are nocturnal one. So bats are not actual blind. But they have advanced ears. Okay, advanced ears that give them a form of vision in dark. Dark means in night, and known as echolocation. So bat use their good hearing to find food during night time. Okay, not they didn't use their eyes during night time, and a good eyes to find their food during daytime. Okay, so at night time they use their hearing ability, means ears, and during daytime for finding food they use their eyes. Okay, so some examples are there: Anthocephalus, Adansonia and Baunia. These are the examples of Chiropterophilus flowers. Okay, we will see in a next slide. So these are some examples of Chiropterophilus flowers. Anthocephalus means kadam tree, Adansonia means baobab tree, and Kigelia or sausage tree. Okay, so these are images of the Chiropterophilus flowers.